Welcome to Monday's Mindful Community Collective Meditation. We're thrilled that you're a part of our mindfulness community. Please share this meditation with others in your life so that this community continues to grow. Today's meditation is called Breathe Away Anxious Thoughts. This soothing meditation script guides us to use our breath as a primary tool for relaxation. It has us witness negative thoughts diminishing gradually and freeing us from the hold they have over us. Now, of course, when we're anxious, it's easy to say, let's just breathe them away. But this is a practice that over time could help diminish some anxiety, and so it's worth trying. It's a beautiful script, and so let's begin by making sure we're comfortable but sitting up straight enough so that we can breathe deeply and fully. Feel our feet on the floor, and you can gently place your hands in your lap and close your eyes. So let's begin by letting your breath flow however it wants to right now. Just breathing in and breathing out. And just notice your jaw, and if you feel any tension there, just notice it, don't try to change it, and continue just breathing in and breathing out easily without any pressure or intention. Just let your breath flow naturally. And just breathe into the sensations in your jaw. And as you exhale, allow it to release a little bit. And inhale again. And imagine that you're breathing in new life. And when you exhale, imagine you're letting fear completely fade. Just breathing in and breathing out any fears you may be experiencing. Now take another breath in, and when you exhale, feel yourself let go of any worries. And just begin to notice as you're letting this fear and worry release on the exhale, how you're feeling right now. Are you feeling more relaxed? Are you feeling a little bit more calm? Just breathing in that newness and freshness and breathing out that fear and anxiety. And notice a gentle wave of relaxation sweeping over you as you breathe in and breathe out. And begin to allow your breath to flow naturally. Let yourself feel calm and peaceful. And just know that you deserve this wonderful feeling of serenity. And notice that you're open now to receive new thoughts. And as you're opening up, you begin to take in new and fresh energy. Notice how new ideas begin to present themselves to you. Bring up feelings of abundance as if you have so much that your cup pours over for others to enjoy the abundance you have created. Now imagine that you're energized and have this zeal for life. Even if this isn't true in your present self, imagine it vividly and with as much detail as you can. See yourself full of energy and optimism. You can imagine it as if you're watching a movie of yourself, if this helps, but see the colors brightly and watch yourself full of ambition, taking steps toward achievement. And just breathing in and breathing out. Stay with your breath and just allow your intentions to remain positive. And even if you don't feel positive in this moment, you can imagine what being joyful is like. Just breathing in these new feelings and breathing out any negativity. And so breathe into this joy you're creating and notice how you're consciously shifting any anxiety, any fears right now into peaceful feelings instead by just following your breath. Breathing deeply and letting your exhale completely relax you. And just noticing that any thoughts that previously held you back become smaller and smaller. Just breathing in and breathing out, watching negative thoughts diminish little by little, as if you're riding away in a car and these negative thoughts are sitting along the roadside, shrinking into the distance as you just ride away with ease. And as you see them go, you're freed from their grip. Just breathing in and breathing out. And if you have any more negative thoughts rise, just drop them off on the roadside by any creative means that arises and just ride away, watching them grow smaller and smaller until they're consumed by the horizon. Just breathing in and breathing out. Allow yourself a few moments to just simply be, just to simply be here and notice and feel changes from this moment right now and the difference between how you felt before you began this meditation. Your new thoughts find a new home within your inner being. And just return your focus to the in-breath and the out-breath for a few moments. And in your own time, whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes, but let's just sit for a moment. And you can commend yourself for making these small steps, but these important steps toward a better life. You can practice this meditation again and again and practice leaving the negative thoughts behind and creating new thoughts, positive thoughts that can stay with you. And remember to lean into gratitude and practice leaving thoughts that are not helpful on the roadside. Thank you for joining me in meditation today.
Thank you for joining us, and we hope this meditation brings you peace and calm during this turbulent time.